talking about how to cut sections using the function of planes. So this is just a quick way instead of cutting it every single time using sections from the menus up there. You can just use the function of planes, and you can keep it with you and navigate between them, so on and so forth. Alright, so we first want to display our block model. Okay, and now what we want to do is cut sections looking west. Okay, so we're gonna go to planes right here, quick planes, and we are going to choose the orientation of easting, and then looking west. And for this in this case, I mean, you can do two different things. You can do a start to end intervals, and you can do specific values. So if you want to cut through a specific section, so like say section 3600, and you want it to look 25 meters forward and 25 meters backwards or away and towards, you can do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a start to end. Okay, so I'm gonna start at, for instance, 2,980, and I'm gonna end it at 3,650. And I'm gonna choose. I want the section to be cut every 50 meters. Okay, and I want to see what's within this section 20 meters forward and 20 meters away. Okay, and I'm gonna call it so E for easting. I'm gonna call it sections test so that it shows up here. So you have your this is the looking west. This is the elevations, the one we did last time. I also made one for cell pillars, and these are trial things. Anyway, so once I go through this process, it should be under this right here. Okay, so it's going to be called sections test, like I named it here. So I'm going to press apply. Alrighty, so here we go. So it started at let's see, 2,980, and it cut through every single one of those sections. And it seems like it chose okay, so 50s. -2980. Okay, here we go. So this was the 50s one. So you see, we started at 2,980, and then it ended at, obviously, like, you know, you add 50, you add 50, you add 50, and then it's cutting a section every 50 meters until it reaches 3,630, right? And there you have it. All you're gonna do is press on the 2D view, and it's gonna give you how the section is gonna look like. Obviously, you can add your mind out. It will make a little bit more sense once you do that. Okay, so if we go under levels ETM, actually let's go under mind out altogether. Survey, and oh, here we go, Stokes, general model. Okay, so F12. So here's an example. Okay, makes sense. So F12 for going forward and F11 for going backwards. You can see very, very easy to navigate between all this. Okay, so so that was 50 meters apart, right? Just for demonstration purposes. So let's delete this one and do, or actually I want to show you how this is convenient. You can actually, because you already know how to cut the intervals and what the interval between planes would be and whatnot. But I want to show you how convenient this is. So once you cut your sections and whatnot, you can close Surpac. Okay, you can load Surpac again. And again, you're gonna go under your profile, and there it is. There it is. All you have to do is drag your ore body in here, and you simply have it right here. You don't have to cut the sections again and so on and so forth, or you don't have to use the macro or any of that. It's all right here. You can navigate between it. So let me get the ore body in place. Surpac work, block model, and boom. And display, apply. There you have it. Well, obviously, you have to add the constraints. There you go. There you go, folks. So this is it without the color by attribute, obviously. So 2.5 to 5 to 8 to 999. There you go. There you have it. Very simple and convenient. So you can also cut through another one, like let's say Easting. I'm sure you guys get the point now. So you can say 2,800. I want it every 20 meters, and I want every 10 meters, everything within the 10 meters forward and backwards to show up. And I'm going to call this sections test 2. Apply, and boom, there you have it. There you have it. So you can navigate between them, as you can see right here. F12 to go forward, F11 to go backwards. Very simple, easy, and convenient. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. Otherwise, enjoy, and I hope this makes your life easier. You folks have a good one. Assalamu alaikum.